Hello everyone, Dragon Nerds Productions here, and today I am going to be showing you another custom which I have had been completed. And here it comes right now. And it's on the Thomas and Friends Trackmaster Custom Railway Series Percy. That's right. We'll be taking a look at my Trackmaster Custom Railway Series Percy, which I had finally completed. And it didn't even took me forever. It just took me for about a day or 2 days or so. Because what I basically did is just rubbed alcohol, and then the next day, like today, I I took him outside and ready for spray painting and primer. I was originally going to be spray. I was originally going to be having him in acrylic paint, but however, I did that on purpose by spray painting the spring gloss green spray paint. So yeah, I just spray painted it, all of it, and I think it turns out quite good. It take and for the running board, and I think it turned out quite good. I mean, it has been spray painted in apple red, and he has been giving a new coupling because after spray painting the chassis, while spray painting the wheels, the coupling got covered up. I might show it to you. Alright, I am back, and here's the coupling. So it got been a little bit spray painted after covering up some certain spots on the chassis while trying to spray paint the wheels. So yeah, so at the front of Percy, the face is just the same, and I painted his lamp irons and the running board gray, and the same buffers front and back like I did to my Railway Series Thomas, which is right there. And yeah, and I spray painted it in spring green, and then I taped and masked the number 6, and then I had to use a darker green Sharpie paint pen to just color in the area, even though the paint is just a little bit lighter. And I Sharpie painted some areas on the window because I was originally going to cover that, but I ended up having it to be Sharpie painted. Same with these types of lines. Yeah, and the number 6 is exactly the same. And I Sharpie painted the red lining, the red stripes, and then I Sharpie painted the gold dome, and then as well as the cylinder of the red stripes on it, even though I spray painted it as well. And I have to cover the whole part of this Percy to make way for the apple red paint. And then at the back, this is just normal as usual, except that I just Sharpie painted the coal bunker because it got covered up, so I Sharpie painted it. And I tried to Sharpie painted the coal when it got onto it, but I think it will suffice. I mean, it doesn't look too bad. And yeah, and also I had been painting the underneath of Percy's smokestack or smoke box, whatever you want to call it, in black apple barrel acrylic paint because it literally got covered up, and I literally have to do it from a piece of a toothpick. So, yeah. Despite from that, despite for the messes underneath, as well as the chassis while spray painting the wheels, I think it still looked pretty good. So I think it still looked pretty good and a little bit decent at the same time. So it's pretty good. So I might give this probably a 8 out of 10. It's a pretty good custom. I mean, it's not that bad. I mean, it's still a pretty good custom. It's just almost like a quick one, almost like about a few hours while I was just outside doing these custom projects. And he still looks pretty good, and I gave him new fresh batteries. And also, I was originally going to be turning this Percy into a colorful rainbow Percy, like it was in the miniseries of the Sodor Springtime Parade, but I decided to go with this one, this Railway Series Percy. So yeah, that's the reason. Anyway, now I finally have Railway Series Percy to be with Railway Series Thomas. Incredible as that. Alrighty. And keep that in mind. Percy is much faster than Thomas. Just keep that in mind because I put new batteries in him. Anyway, we're going to be having ourselves a best friend run. We're just going to be having ourselves a best friend run on this layout. And yeah, we're just going to be having ourselves a best friends run with Thomas and Percy. He might going to get stuck on some point switches, but don't worry, I had sent the points to the other direction so that way he won't continue going forward and he will be stuck right there. Anyways, let's get on with the run. In 3, 2, 1, go. Off we go. So there you have it. That's the run of my custom Railway Series Percy. That was a pretty good run, especially that both Thomas and Percy are racing each other. Anyway, this has been pretty good, and it is a really good and a decent custom to make, and it's a pretty good Railway Series Percy. And also one more thing about the Railway Series Thomas is that he has silver lining on the wheels because I just thought it would be neat for him to have. So yeah, because probably the acrylic paint is just scratching off a little bit. So yeah, I just think it might suit him very well. Well, there you have it. The custom Railway Series Percy. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you need to, and tell me what you think about this Railway Series Percy. Do you like it, or you just think it's a little bit decent or average, or just something that I could have improved on? Anyways, this is Raven Nerds Production signing out, and I'll see you in the next video.